Hey, thanks for joining me on another lending series. Today I'm bringing on Tammy Sampson. She's at a Patriot Lending. I get real excited about these because I've never actually met Tammy and I don't know a ton about her. I know she's a lender. We've kind of communicated on Facebook, but this is such a great opportunity for me to learn more about them as well as them to maybe learn about me. So hopefully you guys get something from this and get somebody that's outside of your normal sphere, right? All right, so here's Tammy. How are we?
I'm great. How are you?
Good. And I said Tammy. Is it Tammy? Or you go by
Yep,
Tammy?
it's Tammy.
That's what I thought. All right. How are you doing, Tammy?
I'm great. I'm great. Just kind of getting back into the grind after a long weekend.
Absolutely. Where are you actually located at? I know you're from Pittsburgh. Is it?
I'm in Greentree.
Okay, you're in
Our
Pittsburgh.
office is right off the parkway.
Perfect. Perfect. Okay. So again, like I said, I have the three questions, and I was saying I'm really excited about this because you and I really haven't interacted a lot. So it's a great opportunity for us to get to know each other, right? And for other people to hopefully say hi, right?
Absolutely. I love this.
Yeah, yeah.
Thank you
So
for the opportunity. It's amazing.
I appreciate you reaching out because I put it out there and you jumped on. So that's what I want out of it. So, all
Yeah.
right. And then let's jump into it. My first question is obviously we want to know who you are. So if you could let us know who you are, you can talk about your family, business, whatever you'd like, just, who you are, introduction.
Yeah, I am a mother of two beautiful daughters. I have a 5 and an 8-year-old. They are my everything. I'm from here originally. I'm from South Fayette before it was as huge as it is. I graduated with 110 kids. Now there's 500, I think, in the graduating class. I went down to WVU, so I'm a Mountaineer for life. And I moved out to DC. Oh, definite Mountaineer pride.
Yeah.
Moved out to DC, stayed there for about 14 years. And I came back about 3 years ago because, when you leave the burg, you can't really leave the burg. You
There's
always
so many
come
people
back.
that come back. Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah. Yeah.
So
So
that's
I
me.
always say that I can ask people why they're moving back to the area and like 99 out of 100, it's family. They just move
It
back
is.
for their family. So,
It
and I,
is.
and I have three daughters about the same age, 9, 7, and 3. So it's, yeah, I understand the
Oh, you
dynamic.
know it.
Yeah,
It's the
absolutely.
exciting, it's the exciting time. They're all involved in different things. So
They keep
ballet and
telling me that.
soccer.
They keep telling
Um,
me
yeah,
that.
I said the same thing, and everyone's like, "You're gonna miss this," and I know I will.
Yeah, right. All right, cool. And then my next question is your products. Let's hear about some products. And I think you handle a lot of non-traditional type products. This is a good one.
I do, I do. So we do all your normal stuff from your conventional FHA, government backed, all of those things. But what my niche market is lately is the investor type of loans. We are an in-house lender for all of your normal Freddie Mac, Fannie Mae loans. We do all the underwriting in-house, but we broker our non-QM loans. We have some banks around here that'll do portfolio style for us. So again, it's still Pittsburgh based. Some of them, though, are not Pittsburgh based, but they have phenomenal products.
Yeah,
I've been doing bank statement loans a lot. So we don't really care what you have on your taxes. We just take your last 12 bank statements and whatever your deposits are, we can use anywhere from 50% to 100% of your deposits as your income. So if you own a restaurant and your deposits are $50,000 a month, we can use 25,000 to 50,000 of that as your income. So
right.
if you were getting a conventional loan, your income may be able to get you $200,000 home. If we do bank statement, you can get the five or $600,000 home, no problem. The DSCR is another amazing one. If you're an investor and you're looking to buy a home, even if it's your first one, you're just trying to get into the market. We just need to make sure that your mortgage payment is equal to or less than your rents coming in. So it's really just an appraisal. And when the
Right.
appraiser goes through the average rents of the area, you're good. And some of them you can qualify on a credit score of 600. So it's pretty exciting.
As we know, the last couple of years have caused a lot of headaches and a lot of damage. And credit credit is no, no, as people continue to really do an entrepreneurial type businesses out there over the last couple of years. As you know, there's a lot of debt that's in income. And so
Yep.
I've seen a lot of those entrepreneurs that they're ready, they just can't get to that next spot actually. So that's a great product and I've noticed some other products are trying to combat some of the last few years of what's happening with rates and everything
Oh
else.
yeah, the 1099 programs. I mean, there's blanket DSCRs. There's so many things out there. And we also do credit repair. So if they are in the 500s, we have a program where I can help them get to 600 if they have a little bit of money to spend, or they're willing to be on the phone calling some of these you like Comcast, Verizon, all those type of collections. If they can settle it and get a deletion letter, I actually send the deletion letters to the bureaus myself, and we do a rapid rescore. And within, I mean, I help somebody get 60 points in 6 business days.
That's amazing. Yeah,
Mhm.
the rapid rescore, I had heard about that, and that really does come in handy quite a
It
bit.
does.
Yeah. And then obviously my final question is, why should we pick you, Tammy, over the next person that might be in the office next door, what have you? What brings you to the table?
Well, I'm always available. You can reach me by my cell. I am a Pittsburgh girl. I'm always around here. I'm either in Greentree or I'm in Canonsburg. And I care. I like to educate people on the products and see what fits whoever's personality or what type of income you're working with, or if you don't have a job and all you're doing is investing, I will find a product for you, and I never say no. I'll find a path for you. If I can help you with your credit in order to get to that 600, I'll do that. If it takes a year, it takes a year. But we will get you to the point where you're going to get a house. That's my passion, whether it's for you to live in or for you to start your rental business and you want to be a landlord, or you just want to buy a couple homes for retirement purposes. I'm here for you. We come up with a plan. I'll come to you. We'll meet you at Panera, at my office. I'll even come to your work, and we'll just get a game plan. You tell me what you want. You tell me what your next 5 years looks like, and I'll make it happen for you.
I love that. I love that. That's a great answer. And I do love the fact that, with the credit reporting there, that is obviously something that it's a service job that a lot of times, you'll want to just call me back in six months to a year when you get that fixed. So it is definitely an extra service that you add to your clients. So it's really cool. Anything else you'd like to add here on the video?
I'm here. I'm ready. I'm eager.
Pittsburgh market.
If you have a cost sheet, let me see what I can do and
And
get you going.
Patriot Lending is the name of the company, correct?
Yep, Patriot Lending Services. We are here in Greentree.
Sounds great. Hey, I appreciate your time today. And if anybody has any questions, your information will be on here. And they can reach out to you anyway, Facebook, text, all that good stuff, correct?
Yep,
Sounds great.
absolutely.
I appreciate your time, Tammy.
Thank you.
Have a great one.
You